We are going to make a background for an art project that we are going to continue working on next week. And we are going to make two different backgrounds. One is going to be using warm colors. The other is going to be using cool colors. So the first thing we need to do is take our paint that we have, which is all the primary colors, red, blue, and yellow, and mix them to make the rest of the colors. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so I've got my clean paintbrush, a cup of water, some paper towel, and I'm going to start mixing my colors together. So the first one I'm going to make is orange. So I'm going to take some red, scoop it up, and then put it on another part of my plate. Don't need very much. And then I'm going to scrape off that paint, wash off my brush, dry it off, and then take some yellow, scoop it up, put it next to it. I think I'm gonna need some more. All right, and then I'm gonna mix it together to make my orange. Perfect. Now I need to clean off my brush, and I'm going to make purple next. So purple is made using red and blue, so I'm going to take some red. Scrape off my brush, clean it. And then take some blue and mix it in there. And now I've got some purple. Scrape off my brush, and now I'm going to clean it so I can make some green. Alright, so I'm going to take some yellow. Oop, I got some blue in it already. Clean it off. And get some blue and mix that all together. And now I have some green. The plate is kind of messy, but that's okay because it's just for mixing paint. It can be a little bit messy. I'm gonna scrape off my brush and then clean it. Now I have all the colors that I need to use for my art project. The first one I'm going to do is my cool color spirals. So my cool colors are purple, blue, and green. And to do a spiral, it might be nice to practice with a clean brush on your hand first. And a spiral is just like a circle, but you go around and around until you get to the very end. Oh, I had some paint on there, it got on my hand. So you can practice going around, spinning your paintbrush, and you want to keep your paintbrush at the tip. So you don't want to smush it down. You want to keep it nice and tall on its point. You might even get some paint on your hand. All right, so I'm going to start with my purple. Keeping my paintbrush nice and tall, going to go around and around, and just keep making a bunch of spirals all over my paper. I want to fill my whole paper so it's got a nice and colorful background. You can do small ones, you can do big ones. It's up to you. So I'm going to keep going with the cool colors until my whole paper is full. When you're done, you'll have something that looks like this. And then you're ready to do your second one using the warm colors. I'm going to take another piece of paper, and when I'm done, it's going to look like this. I'm using yellow, orange, and red only on this one because those are all the warm colors. So I'm going to make sure my brush is clean. And then I think I'm going to start with some red. I'm doing the same thing, making some spirals. That one was a big one. and it's okay when they overlap. They kind of mix with each other, which is kind of cool because when you do red and yellow on top, it starts turning into an orange spiral, which looks really cool on the paper. So I'm filling up my entire paper. When you're done, you'll have something that looks like this. So now I have a cool color background and a warm color background, and I'm going to make sure to clean up all my paint and then put these two pieces of paper that I painted on somewhere where they can dry. And I'm also going to keep them for next week because we are going to make a cute little penguin that we're going to glue on top of our paper. So make sure you save these because we're going to continue with our project next week, and we need these to put our penguins on.